One more. Old beer. It wasn't anybody's birthday, but Branwell Brown had a feeling that today was going to be a special day. He was sitting thoughtfully on the window side with his friend, duck, rabbit, and the little bear.
No, the rabbit, little bear.
Yes. When he suddenly remembered that someone wasn't there who should be, then he remembered that someone not there who wasn't there who should be. Then, next page. Look, there's stairs. It's a bear.
He's going up.
A very long time ago, he had seen his good friend, Old Bear, being packed away in a box. Look, here is a box. Then he was taken up a ladder through a trapdoor and into the attic. The children were being too rough with him. The children is being too rough with him. And he needs somewhere safe to go for a while. That's why, might be that's why they put this bear to the box. Let's go to the next page. What's the next page? What's it doing? Ducky, rabbit, and the bear. What's that doing?
Bears up to toys.
Oh. And duck is? What duck doing?
Look there.
Oh.
Duck is sitting.
Under the toys. Rabbit? What rabbit is doing?
Playing.
Rabbit is holding a block.
Rabbit is making a
house.
Rabbit is making a house. Rabbit is making a house.
Oh. Now bear is here for small teddy bear. So what bear saying? Has he been forgotten? Do you think? Branwell asked his friend. I think he might have been. Rabbit said. Well, said the little bear. Isn't it time he came back down with us? The children are older now and would look after him properly. Let's go and get him. What a marvelous idea, said Branwell. But how can we rescue him? How can we rescue him? The bear is in a box, so they want this teddy bear with them.
We can rescue them with fighting, everybody, with fighting.
Let's see what they will do, okay? So, but how can we rescue him? It's a long way up to the attic and we haven't got a ladder. They don't have a ladder. So we could build a tower of bricks and suggest a little bar. So they'll make a little tower with the bricks. Rabbit collect all the bricks and the other sides about building the tower. Rabbit is bring all the blocks and they will make a building to get the teddy bear. Right? Then
Rabbit is cute.
Look out! He cried as the whole thing
Rabbit
comes
is
tumble down.
cute. Rabbit is cute.
Rabbit is cute, yes. Never mind, said Branwell.
I want rabbit to my home.
Okay, we will bring the rabbit. Okay. Helping little bear to his feet. We will just have to think of something else. Let's see. That's not gonna be work. So this is not working.
Yeah.
They can't make a bricks building with the bricks, okay?
Yeah.
So they think about another thing. How can we get the teddy bear, okay?
Yes.
So let's try making ourselves into a tower.
Look, rabbit.
Hmm.
Look, cute.
They
rabbit.
fall. Might be that fall. They are stepping with each other. Little bear
The dog
climbed
is
on the top of the rabbit head. See, little bear climbed top of the rabbit, and
Little
rabbit
dog.
hopped on the duck.
little dog is waiting for his turn.
Yeah, so rabbit
Little look what little dog is doing to rabbit.
help him. So rabbit hopped on the duck beak. They stretched it up as far as they could, but then duck opened his beak to say something. Duck said something. So so duck they say something. Rabbit wooded and they all compass on top of the bread wheel. But they all fell down. Sorry, said Duck. Peppers, that wasn't a very good idea. That wasn't a very good idea. Let's do something else, okay? So, not one of your best, replied Branwell from somewhere underneath to the
Let's go to the game.
Yep. Then let's go to another stand.
Look what rabbit is doing here.
Let's see what they are doing it now, okay? I know, say the
Look
baby.
there in the room.
Yes, they are into the room. Let's do it later.
Open.
Let's do it later.
Eyes closed. Eyes